Imagine you need to dispatch 15 appointments between 3 field operatives. Sound easy? Did you know there are over 14 million possible plans? On top of that, unpredictable factors come into play, such as the unavailability of one of the field operatives, customer cancellations, or reactive, high-priority tasks. But luckily, there is at VISITOUR. Using our unique power-up technology, it provides optimized scheduling and dynamic route planning capabilities in real time. Regardless if a field operative calls in sick, customer cancels, or emergency appointments need to be handled, VISITOUR factors in all the parameters unique to your business, such as accounting for the various skills and qualifications of your field operatives. And a connected device solution ensures a constant connection with your mobile team. The system recognizes changes immediately and adjusts plans for the best outcome within seconds. And the results speak for themselves. Reduced overtime, balanced work distribution for employees, meeting of service level agreements, increased number of tasks completed per shift, increased transparency for companies and customers, and a truly optimized use of your resources. Plus, increases in productivity and efficiency, cost savings across fuel, labor, and retention. VISITOUR cost optimizes field scheduling and route planning for the best outcome. Substantial increases in field work and customer satisfaction. Ultimately, it's you who's in control.